Hi everyone, I'm Andrea Benitez, and I'm going to be talking about Action for Healthy Kids. The health behavior of this organization is child obesity and overweight because both of those are major health problems in the US. 1 in 3 kids are overweight or obese, and over 11 million children live in a food insecure household. The scope of this problem and relationship to the negative health outcomes are 2 in 5 adults and 1 in 5 children in the US have obesity, and the number for those who are overweight is even higher. And children who suffer with obesity are 10 times more likely to continue to be obese as adults, and it is extremely to reverse in older children and adults. This relates to Healthy People 2030's objectives because they want to reduce the proportion of children and adolescents with obesity by incorporating policy and school curriculum changes that make it easier for children and adolescents to eat healthier and get the physical activity that they need that will all ultimately reduce obesity. And 17.8% of children and adolescents aged 2 to 19 had obesity from the years 2013 to 2016. And that number has even risen, especially with the COVID-19 pandemic that is happening right now. Action for Healthy Kids is a nonprofit organization mobilizing family, school partnerships to prepare kids to be healthy in a body and mind. And this image below is from the website, and it basically shows you that they use tools and resources, their programs and practices with the help of staff, students, and community engagement to help make a kid healthy. And since it's a nonprofit organization, they run off of both partnerships and donations. So if you were to donate $25, that would provide 45 parents with training to equip them to become school health advocates. $100 could provide garden equipment for 1 school to improve nutrition education and access to fresh produce. So they would be able to grow their own produce at the school itself. And then $1,000 would provide meal equipment kits to schools to serve 10,000 meals to hungry kids. So the mission/vision of the organization is they want to create healthier schools. And they're going to do this by providing teachers, staff, parents, and volunteers with information to support and model healthy behaviors that shape kids' lives and will help them thrive in the future. And you may be wondering why schools? Well, kids spend over 1,200 hours per a year in school. So the types of programs and education and services offered, they offer them through school grants and in-depth resources and personalized supports to the schools and the districts, which help them to create sustainable programs and policies that support the students' physical and emotional health. And they do this by bringing together parents and educators and equipping them with the tools and resources they need to support healthier and happier children. So the key program areas are food accesses and nutrition education, physical activity and active play, and then also social, emotional health, and risk behavior prevention. So how they market to the communities is by helping their kids develop lifelong habits necessary to become healthy and thriving adults. It takes the whole school, families, communities, all to work together in order to help build a culture that will support the children. And in the photo right here, you could see where these kids are learning how to grow their own produce. So some of the strengths of this organization are that it builds the capacity for individuals, behavior change and systematic changes in the communities, which will help kids eat better, stay active, strengthen their coping skills, and make responsible, healthy decisions. However, the weakness to this is a lot of their trainings and learning sessions are done online, especially right now because of the pandemic, and not everybody is tech savvy, which can lure people away from wanting to volunteer. So some cultural competencies are its easily accessible website. It's appealing to the eyes, it's very colorful, it's very kid-friendly, and basically age-friendly overall. Volunteers are trained and a part of the community, so anybody is able to help out. On the website, there's an option for English and Spanish, And during the COVID-19 pandemic, they were still helping out and easy to get a hold of. So here's some contact information of Action for Healthy Kids. Right here below, you can see the location. They are located in Chicago, Illinois, and you are able to, on the website, give them your contact information for them to reach out to you, or if you were interested in giving donations. Thank you.